Sharon kunita lagi. Sharon kunita lagi. Hindi mabusog. That's my dinner, guys. Mukbang it is. Where is Misty? My eyes is hurting so bad last night, guys, because when I was driving here last night, the driver that in the other lane, the high beam is on, it blinded me and it hurts so bad. It's really windy, guys. Oh yeah, it's windy. Oops. House is in the bed. Oh, that's the curtains that my mother-in-law and I get. Yeah, it's like that, guys. It's kind of boring looking, I mean, on top, but I'm gonna tell her to plan to get some decoration on top, like a frame of. But House is right there. The bug is right here. Hi, bug. Katatapos ko lang nag-ayos sa sarili ko. And I'm gonna eat, guys, before I go. And nag-isip ako, guys, kung anong kakainin ko dito, guys. Before I go to the store, guys, I have to eat. You know why? I don't wanna keep picking up food that I don't really need. Because I'm hungry, I will intend to pick, whatever I can see. Whatever I can find over there. I love you. Yes, there's a garlic, baby. I love you. So, ang binili ko ito, guys. This is what I got. Corn for my mukbang boil. And also what I got is more lemon, Old Bay. I cannot find the seasoning that I'm looking for, the Louisiana seafood boil, and this is the paprika. And also this is what I told you, it's expensive, guys. Look how expensive it is. Hey, stop it. Premium king crab legs and claws, fully cooked. This one right here, 19 something. Expensive. And I got soy, and also, guys, I got this also, yeah, for my filming room, to put some, foundation stuff like that. This is $2 something, really cheap, from Walmart. $2 something for two of them. $2 something. Yeah, I add one more stuff to add for my, yung vanity ko, because parang kailangan siya additional na $3 something. Yeah, and also I got another blush from Maybelline because hello, guys. Ito yung sauce ko, guys. Parang dipping sauce ng ng seafoods. So it's butter, 1 stick of butter, and put this. This is salt. Okay, ito yung inilagay ko. Salt, paprika, at saka I don't have cayenne, so I put paprika, pepper, salt, at saka yung flakes. Ito, pepper flake. And lagyan ko siya ng Tabasco. But ito yung butter na nag-start na siya. Okay. So yun lang ang sauce ko. At then later on I will show you how I did the shrimp, the crabs, something like that. And the corn, yun. So ito yung ilagay ko, guys. And this is yung sa sauce. I cut it very thinly. the onion, the white onion, and a lot of garlic. And ito yung sa boil, ilagay ko siya, lemon, ginger, at saka it's an onion, white onion, saka garlic. So, yun lang naman siya. And then, I'm going to add this thing. Okay, add ko lang ito, guys. Itong garlic at saka onion. Yan, i-add ko siya. Yan. Yep. Yan siya. And then, I'm going to add this season. I add very small amount of salt. Small amount of salt. So, ito na siya, guys. Yan. Mapula-pula siya dahil sa... And I will add Tabasco. Very little only. Because it's gonna be so spicy. This is the water, and I add already the onion, the lemon, and the garlic, and the ginger in there. And I will let it boil, and I will put the seasoning. The seasoning that I'm going to put, guys, is the Old Bay. And I will add pepper, onion, and garlic powder. Okay, I will add a little onion powder here. Onion powder, garlic powder. So, yeah. This is gonna be so garlicky, guys. Tignan nyo yung dalawa, guys. Pagod. Pagod of doing nothing. Pagod pod. Tignan nyo. Ito, Old Bay. Kasi nag-ano na siya, nagbubukal. So, Old Bay. Daming Old Bay, oh. Yun. So, I have to clean this before I will put that aside. So, yun. I put a lot of Old Bay seasoning. Yan. Para makita nyo. Yan. So, ito yung butter ko. Tignan nyo. Sarap, diba? A lot of seasoning in it. Like a lot of onion and garlic. Okay. I will put the corn in there. Because corn will cook, you know, a little bit longer than the seafood. The seafood is half fully cooked already, the crabs. So, yun siya, guys. There's a lot of that because I can eat that leftover, you know, of the thing. So, I'm just gonna let it boil here. Boil, 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 boil. There's crabs in it, look, if you see. Yeah, I cook it for like 10 minutes. And there is shrimp also over there. I don't know where's the shrimp go. But hey, show up. I don't know where's the shrimp, guys. Okay, guys, here it is. Here it is. Oh, Sharon ko ni talaga. Sharon ko ni talaga. Hindi mabusog. That's my dinner, guys. Mukbang it is.
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
It's 9:11 already. I'm just watching this. Oh my god, yung mata ko, guys. Yung mata ko. I'm watching the finale of Big Brother 19. Oh my god, Raven. Raven thinks she's in freaking pageant. What the frick? I don't know, guys, if you watch it, but I love watching Big Brother. Anyway, so, yeah, I'm just gonna watch it. I'm gonna go upstairs. Okay, I'm gonna let this dog out now. I have to bring the phone just in case Tommy will call. Where's the phone? Oh my god. Where's the phone? It's right here. Shit. Sana yung dalawa? I want them to do their business, guys. Ay nako, where is Misty? I cannot see Misty, guys. Yeah, I just need to... Where is Misty? Where's Mr. Rocks? Good evening, guys. It is 10:20 already. Oh my god, it's supposedly I'm already sleeping and closing my eyes and no editing, but I'm not even done. I don't finish editing today. I did finish editing for tomorrow's video, but I edited 2 videos today. I made 2 projects, you know, 2 edited videos, but it's not totally finished editing yet. And right now I put something vitamin E oil again on my face. Remember, I don't know if you remember, guys, that I always have that, you know, like a oil problem on my face, like, you know, any kind of oil, but and then it gives me anong tawag nito, guys? Magka-pimples ako pag there's oil on my face. Like if for example, if I use a Moroccan oil for my hair, I end up having a lot of pimples around my hairline over here. And this vitamin E oil, guys, I can see the difference, guys. I'm just gonna keep doing it. It really makes my skin on my face different. And even though I cannot get rid of this scar has been forever, I cannot get rid of it, and you know, whatever's in there before, but it gives a different. Anyway, guys, before talking about a lot of nonsense, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tammy just called me, we just hung up. Thank you guys so much. I just don't like what happened on Big Brother 19 because it ended up Josh winning. I just don't like it. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye. Good night, guys. And then we can dance together like this. Yeah. A lot of work. Very strong. I can tell you.